Hi, good morning, good afternoon, and also good evening, guys, depending on whichever time of the day that you're going to come across this video. I'd like to welcome you all to my channel, guys. Yeah, guys, yeah. This whole drama between Koko Maweni, Koko Skoteni, and Dominic, honestly speaking, I did wanted to make a video commenting on the whole situation, but the only thing that stopped me was this thing. I do not want to talk about something that I do not really um, know where it stemmed from. Um, okay, yes, bekhulunywa ngonobangela and all of that, but I could not get the full story yokuthi what's going on and from what to what and and everything, and how did it get to where we are even right now. So that's why I just did not decided to not even do the video of the whole thing. But however, just based on this, I decided to I know Veluguti, we all know Gogo Maweni and Skoteni, they just do not they do not tell Amanzi, they do not like each other, and they are more or less, of which at first allegedly it said Guti they were friends. I do not recall that part love where they were friends and stuff like that. However, I just know Guti now they are not telling Amanzi anymore. Or yeah. So now Dominic was away and came back. When he came back, I'm going to talk about this whole situation based or from this video or clip that you're about to watch, not from Unobangel and all of that, because I just could not, I was not winning in that department in terms of getting your information. However, from this one, I was able to get what I was able to get, and then we're going to talk. So check this out, and then we'll talk again. Yeah.
ayithathaphi uyisikoloshi self yena kunomuntu omsebenzisayo that's why yenza izinto ezihlanyayo kanje awuphume lapha angeke akenze nix fokol nothing angeke nothing there's nothing that
ngihlezi ngibatshela ukuthi I'm untouchable. I have a friend. I know a friend.
Never.
Guys, no, I'm back, guys. Tomorrow I'm going out. I'm going to go to an event. I'm going to look pretty. I'm going to post videos. I'm going to post content. Let's go. Let's have fun.
That's what we want to hear. Like, hello. I mean, if you for a second, if you doubt your life, if you want to compare the things you've accomplished and compare the shit that's happening in her life and see that she's no better than you. She's not going to do shit to you. You're greater. You're far more greater. And whoever who says bad things about you, fuck them. They don't matter. You matter.
Thank you, Coco.
You matter. You are number one in your life. Please, man. Tikoloshi amasimba. Ahambe naleyo tikoloshi. Ayofuna hesha sizokhuluma ezinye izinto yazi. Ngizonitshela WhatsApp. Ngizonitshela ku WhatsApp. Ngizonitshela ku WhatsApp nama video and nonsense wakhe ngizanitsendela ku WhatsApp.
Kunye ngiyakwazi. I don't even need evidence. I was there. I was present. I know.
Wabani nithuthekile buwang. Nontsungahlanganisi lapha sizophuza
I was there. I was present. Even when I was asked to give bums to the husband, I was there.
And somebody else is saying it because when I said
no, I'm not lying. It's the truth, and everyone knows it.
This is my safe.
I'm so glad someone else is saying it because when I said it, they said I was lying. Okay.
No, I was asked to give bums, and I said no. That's why I'm being attacked. It's because I refused to give bums.
Yo. Sekukuningi ke manje, sekukuningi. This is a lot. This is all of it. This is everything. Bafethu. Huh? So, as you heard on that video, Dominic is saying Ugogo Skoteni allegedly befuna hook up ne-husband yakhe. Ubani husband yakhe Gogo Skoteni? Nansi. Okay, guys, I decided to put both of them. That is Ugogo Skoteni, because someone who's new to this, who does not know these people, will be like, who is Gogo Skoteni, who's Gogo Maweni, because it's Gogo this, Gogo that. Who are these people? You understand? That is Gogo Skoteni, and that's her husband, who is alleged ukuthi bacishe bamnika ama-bums, bemcelela ama-bums ku-Dominic. Yo. Yeah, when he said this. Guys. Yes. Ish. Yo. But so for them said it. I think it's real. Okay. This is Gogo Skoteni's response. Check this out.
Dominic, you're not Monda's type, baby. Ne? You are not. Yes? Even if he was gay, you're not his type. You are not his type. Awusi type yakhe. Ngisho ungafaka makeup, ufake ne-filter, ufake nalama weave wakho made. You're not Monda's type, baby. Yes? Ukuze ube yitype yamonto kumele uqale ubheke mina. Ngisho nabo baby mama bakhe bahle. Hayi ungabanyatsa bokiya. Bahle. Umuntu une-eye. Une-eye. Nelihlo. You are not Monda's type, baby. Ngayo yonke into uyatshatsha kahle uyaphapha. Umekabi. Uyabona into ezinjalo. Awusi type yamonto. Umonda aka-compromising people like baby. Akathi okay mhlawumbe umuhle umekabi ithangeni aka-compromise. Ngisho nalaba abe-busy nabo njengoba besihlukene manje nathi singazi ukuthi senzani ngathi sididekile. Bebabahle bebangidonsisa ngo-no. Not you. Kunegeli zothi malivela ngicabanga utataze not wena baby. Wena ngaze ngishiye not Luma. Wena indoda yakho, your best friend, even today you guys are still friends. And boy thuma bathi nginamanga bangitshele ngizobatshela ukuthi bebakuphi nini ngibani isikhathi ngibabonile kanti mangithi ngibamba umlomo Ntombweni ngwangibamba ngoba naye ubonile. Bizana Ntombweni ngiphela. Every family has a dark closet. So before ungahamba uyonuka emenye amafamily nuke yakho. Angidakele mina. Angidakele baby girl. Miye kumonde. Wena Ndlovukazi, wena ome njengenhloko uzocamba manguthi mina ngakufonela ngakutshela ukuthi umonde ufuna uyibunu umele uphumonde ibunu zakho. Lebunu zakhe ezime ngathi ingalo yami. Lebunu zakhe ezime ngathi ingalo yami. Oh. Njalo, I've been telling people the type of person that she is. Hey, suka. Wonke umuntu une dark side yakhe man. How? Nase ningibabaza kangaka. Nangibabaza kangaka. Hayi suka wena. Wena isangoma ezijana singaboni ukuthi indoda yakho ilala ne best friend. Le ndoda yakho esathi hey akabuya uzama. Alibuyi igela mlizoqaqa. Le ndoda yakho sathi nasikakho endlini. Hey futhi yazini bonke amagela ngitshela ngibona. The time Ntombeni, I'm the first person to know and to see. The time it comes down no yeah, nayi lapho a constitutional hill the time when the event cabanga baqabza no khona cabanga sebadleni kangakhiki ngangikhona angizwanga ngabethi akusi conference call and then before ungaqala ubheka umndeni wami ngicela ubheko wakho kube nguwe bengizothula angikhulumi ngamadoda abantu ngoba nami ngiyazi ukuthi kami kunegandala angikhulumi ngegandala zabanye abantu so ubozinuka amakhwapha kuqala in closing wena cucumber angisumngani wakho ne asingabangani wena domdom phuma phansi kwami ne awusi type yamonde. Okay, put it down here. Wena domdom phuma phansi kwami ne awusi type yamonde. In closing, Beyonce Magalo no Beyonce anginisabi but ningangishayi.
Yo guys, this is Gogo Maweni and her husband Usabelo, who Gogo Skoteni is talking about. Then we'll talk. Check this out and then we'll talk. Yo. Yo, guys. Yo. Yeah. Kishu Indaba, and news is coming out, and yo, I mean, the only thing I can just say, this is all alleged, and Zakala, like it's calling, and yeah, the best friend that I know, or that we all know, this is all alleged, who is Gogo Maweeni's gay best friend, is so amazing, Bafetu. So amazing, allegedly. Mina broke. Usomizi. Yazi usomizi. Lo kuthiwa wacabazana nendoda lo. I-NK best friend yakho kuMaweni. Angeke kube kusomizi bafethu. Anishono kunye. Angeke usom. Yo. Nangisabelo guys. Nangisabza ngwana. Mabizela.
Sabelo why you so loyal? Hayibongi idlisiwe. Ukhona umuntu ongavela abe loyal nje. Ebeshadene sangoma.
Nangu ntombi eningi. Laba bangamazi ntombi eningi. Nangu ntombi eningi.
Angalo madoda straight. Wayona lo uhleli nayo indoda yakho ubaba kaEnzokuhle, ubaba kaSandra, ubaba kaPinki. Maye umazi ngokumnyama ukuthi wenzani. Usibiza ngo baby. Emina ngiyivuna indabani. Sibizwa ngomama ngobusuku. Lalela Dali. Yabona wena uzophawula ngikuphe laba bazophawula kule video. Ngifuna ngona lokho ngikhulume. Ngoba abantu uma bekhuluma okusho ukuthi relevant. Hambisana lesikhathi into yamanje wena. Ya, uyi5G. Into esheshayo, into esheshibambe. Lalela. Into engikhulumisa abantu esikhathini samanje. Zintathu. Ngisho wena. Umona. Ngoba umona. Hawu, umona kumuntu. Ukuthi ukwenza kanjani? Usethwele intombi eyiningi. Intombi eyiningi ulala nama-politician. Ulala namadoda ashadile. Uthwala nawe uthayela emoyeni. Size kunumber 2. Hayi ngoba indlala. Awindlala. Yalidala ulaka. Mana ngihabule nyeza. Awu! Maye! Awezwa amabele egcwala isifuba inkomo yagcwala iphendi. Ya, chala bami. At my age, emzini wami. Angithi ngekhaya mina ngithi ngemzini wami. La ngikhopha khona igate, ngingene khona nalo ngifuna ungena naye noma athi indoda yomuntu ngihlangana naye. Ubani wathi indoda yomuntu? Wayifaka inumber plate yini? Wayifaka
Yo. Laphi ndantshela yona. Yo. Aish guys. Yo. Yo, Shuti with this whole thing, allegedly, about Dominic with that live that they had, Nabo with Gogo's Kote, with Gogo Maweni and that other lady. In a way, they tried to paint or portray a boyfriend, a husband. I'm not sure if they're back together again. Because last time we checked, they were in the of separating, but now it seems like they're back together again. And who am I talking about? I'm talking about Coco Scotini and her husband. But now they were, Dominic, it was as if they were portraying that Coco Scotini's husband is gay and was requesting, a bolter for ama bums, gadom. And then now Coco Maweni jumped the bandwagon a corner between Dominic and Upiwe and also Coco Scotini, and then now this has also just ignited the flames beyond repair manje. Even flames as a hell ajela signal flames manje. Ugogo Scotini is just revealing keep file uthi wena akungakhulumi because indoda yakhe so ilala nobani yenza ukuthi. Okay, she didn't say ukuthi la nobani. She only just mentioned one person, and did not mention the name. She just said that ulala ne best friend yakho eyi-gay. Usomizi loyo. Yey, yonke into kule video. Ngakhohlwa ukuthi njani. Alleged. Usomizi. And no sabza ngwana naye, hayi le video lengiyipostela hayi nakazenza justice. Hayi. Fuma ucheck i-comment section. Banga check i-comment section. Nina, no mude to a person is trying to defend you. You just cannot defend you. One can never defend you all, guys. And guys, I did tell myself that I'm going to try by all means to speak English. Yo, Kudani, you're stressing us. Yo, it's very bad, man. It's very bad, man. Here's Dominique also coming out and saying, "Guti, straight man. There's only a few men on this earth who are purely and who are really, really straight. The rest." So, man, we do not know what's going to happen with this whole thing. But with that, the video that I posted talking about straight men and all of that, it's not her response to the whole thing. No, I did check out, try to find what did she or he respond. No, not yet. Yeah, man, but tell me what you think about this whole thing down below. And guys, Zach, sure.